In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hamburger menu to your Wix mobile site. This feature is a great way to streamline navigation on mobile devices, providing users with an intuitive, clean interface that hides the full menu behind a simple icon. So, if you're ready to enhance your site's usability for mobile users, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix setup page. You can do this by logging into your Wix account. Once there, locate the setup option, which is usually accessible from your site's dashboard. Click on it to proceed. By doing so, you're entering an area where you can make various adjustments and customizations to your site design, crucial for our next steps. Next, you'll want to click on Design Site. This option invites you to explore a range of design choices that can elevate the look and feel of your website. It's crucial to understand that this section is where you control the aesthetics and basic functionality of your site. With a well-designed site, you can ensure that your visitors have an engaging and user-friendly experience. Once you're in the design section, we move to the core part of today's tutorial. Now click on Add to Mobile. This action is essential because it targets the elements specifically optimized for mobile viewing. Designing for mobile can't be an afterthought in today's digital landscape, where many users access the internet from their phones or tablets. Adding elements to your mobile setup can change how efficiently users interact with your site when they're on the go. Continue by clicking on Hidden on Mobile. This step involves dealing with elements currently concealed from your mobile viewers. Hiding some parts of your site on mobile devices is standard practice to ensure the interface isn't cluttered and remains responsive. By choosing this option, we're moving elements from hidden to visible, preparing to make the menu accessible for your users. Finally, you'll want to click on Show. This last click switches the visibility settings for your hamburger menu, allowing it to appear on your mobile site. Remember, making the menu visible on mobile is key to providing a seamless and straightforward navigation experience for visitors who are using smaller screens. A compact yet visible menu can significantly enhance user interaction by making sure the navigation is at their fingertips, literally. And there you have it. A newly enabled hamburger menu for your Wix mobile site. This simple but effective feature will improve your visitors' experience, helping them navigate through your site with ease, no matter where they are. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial, and happy crafting on Wix Mobile.